Hey friends, Heli Pilot Lee here. Mike and I and a couple of friends are flying from Westworld, where the Barrett Jackson car show is, in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're going to fly
Okay, get
south
the AC
through
going.
Scottsdale and Phoenix airspace, and then we'll head to Stellar Airpark, where we get a special treat at the end of this flight. I've shortened up some of the clips for you, but otherwise it's pretty much real time. Sit back and enjoy the ride. We'll try to stay cool with the air conditioning.
Cooling down.
Yeah. We haven't been facing the sun like that for a while. It takes a while to get the AC working. Okay, and I've got Juliet. So let's make sure we got everything in the backup. So 119.9, that's here for Scottsdale. 120.9, that'll be, they never sent us to the North Tower, so we'll need North Tower.
We want 118, I got it. 7.
And then we'll need the ATIS for Phoenix. I'm rolling up.
Okay.
And you'll get that for me. And they don't sound very busy, so there's a possibility I'll see if they'll let me do a loop around here. Okay, I got 4 flights loading. Still waiting on temperature. I'm on radio 1. Scottsdale Tower, helicopter 505, Hotel Mike over at Westworld with Juliet. I'd like to depart, do one circle around Westworld and then south through your airspace to the south on the 101.
505 Hotel Mike, Scottsdale Tower, Roger. Departure will be at your own risk. Proceed as requested. Say altitude climbing to.
As requested, and does 1800 work for you for 5 Hotel Mike?
Yep, that works for me.
5 Hotel Mike. Okay. Get rid of this.
Might want to roll your window up, buddy, but that's all right.
Yeah. And I'm going to make sure that I'm well clear of that pole on the right.
This is a max performance takeoff. I'll go straight up almost 100 feet until I clear these poles before I start going forward. I've got plenty of power, even at max gross weight, and Mike will call it out.
You're at 9.
Okay, got that pole.
Pole's clear.
And now we'll go circle Westworld and check out the Barrett Jackson car show from above.
Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, Kurt, we're doing a circle.
All right.
Cherokee 518 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Make right close traffic.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, right close traffic, Cherokee 518 Alpha Foxtrot.
Power lines.
Aviator 35, you can taxi straight across the ramp.
Got all the power lines.
So Westworld is just southeast of the center line of Scottsdale Airport. So I've chosen an altitude where I'm low enough that I'm out of their way, but I'm also staying high enough for all the power lines and other things, and giving my passenger a good show.
There's my 1800.
He actually just bought 2 cars at the car auction, so this was a really fun day, really special, and I want to make sure that he gets a special treat as well.
Scottsdale Tower, helicopter 229 Alpha Hotel at Dillon with Juliet, north departure.
Calling from Dillon, I'm sorry, say the call sign.
Yeah, 229 Alpha Hotel at Dillon, north departure with Juliet.
Helicopter 229 Alpha Hotel, Scottsdale Tower, departure from Dillon will be at your own risk. North departure approved. Use caution.
Will do, 9 Alpha Hotel. Scottsdale Tower, running 475 at Begbie.
475, northbound approved. Start a climb at or above 3,000.
Start a climb at or above 3,000, northbound approved, running 475.
Ready to try this?
No. I've got a helicopter taking off, and we'll be watching there.
Cherokee 518 Alpha Foxtrot, when able, start an early crosswind turn.
Starting that crosswind, Cherokee 518 Alpha Foxtrot. Load up P19 for me. Yeah, we have a lady controller. They're always more helpful.
Especially when they have lady pilots.
Oh, what happened here?
When I put in P19, it auto-ranged.
Yeah, to 7.5. All right, it's pretty quiet. You can monitor the ATIS.
510. Wind 280 at 4. Visibility 10.
Ground number 234, Quebec Sierra, is that custom is looking to taxi to Natchez.
2 points minus dash 5. Altimeter 30, 11.
11.
AO2, sea level pressure 1902.
Calendar for Quebec Sierra, Euro Tower frequency, you can remain this frequency, taxi to Natchez via Alpha.
Alright, Natchez via Alpha, sorry about that for
visual approach
No worries.
26. Visual approach
9475, frequency change approved, safe flight.
Departing runway
frequency change approved. Have a good day. Running 475.
to air mission. Multiple cranes in the vicinity of airport.
Cherokee 8 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, Cherokee 518 Alpha Fox.
Advise on initial contact. You have information, Juliet. Phoenix Sky Harbor.
Juliet.
They're both Juliet.
Okay, I am clear south, 118.7, that's the north tower, you're positive?
Star 700 Golf Papa's with you on the visual for 26.
Star 700 Golf Papa, Phoenix Tower, runway 26, clear to land, winds 250 at 5. Where are you parking today?
Now they're going to want us at 1600 because they're going that direction.
700 Golf Papa, clear to land.
Phoenix Tower, helicopter 505, Hotel Mike just off Scottsdale, like to transition 101 south, 1600 and below. We've got Juliet.
Helicopter 505, Hotel Mike, Phoenix Tower, ident.
Ident for 5 Hotel Mike. You did it?
Got it.
American 1437, taxi Bravo, connect ground.
American 1437 left on Bravo, going ground.
Helicopter 505, Hotel Mike, Phoenix Tower, you're ready to contact, maintain VFR at or below 2,000 feet. Clear landing class Bravo airspace, via southbound on the 101 is approved to 1,600 feet, Juliet's current.
Okay, cleared class Bravo at or below 2,000 and VFR for 5 Hotel Mike. All right, no squawk code.
We'll be home in 7 minutes.
Pretty quiet out here too.
Oh.
Aerostar 700 Golf Papa, taxi via left on Bravo. Sierra, hold short of Delta.
Left on Bravo, Sierra, short on Delta. Papa.
Got one big jet coming in. I was hoping to be right underneath somebody,
I'm sure you were.
but he's way out there.
Trying to make it interesting. Yeah, those wires are right across the road. Thought maybe they buried them.
Oh, we are. Here's a jet. 1,700 above us.
700 Golf Papa, affirmative on Sierra, contact south ground 132.55.
1,600 to southwest.
32.5, 700 Golf Papa.
1,500. Oh, you see him, Kurt?
Yeah, he's coming, turning towards us.
He's coming for us. Another one right behind him.
Tower American 24.
Look at all that traffic.
You on visual 26.
American 2404, Phoenix Tower, runway 26, clear to land.
26, clear to land. American 2404.
That's the next one, not that one, Zero Golf Papa.
Golf Papa, trying to figure that out.
Airplanes have to use taxiways.
Crazy.
That's so hard. Say again.
It's the next one, not that one, Zero Golf Papa.
Golf Papa, trying to figure that out.
It went back. I think he said I figured that out. Or but it's interesting that it rewinds to what the controller said and what the plane said.
Oh, yeah.
It's a super cool feature of this helicopter. If I miss a radio call, I can just say again.
Helicopter 505, Hotel Mike, leaving Phoenix Class Bravo airspace to the south. Radar service is terminated. Frequency change approved. Squawk VFR.
Squawk VFR for 5 Hotel Mike. Thank you much.
Not even out of his airspace.
I know, I'm not even out yet. But I'll say goodbye anyway.
3 is turning right base, runway 17, doing touch to go by that.
Stellar traffic, helicopter 5 Hotel Mike is 3 miles to the north. I'll be straight in for 17.
Where you at, Lee?
Kind of a long left base for 17.
All right, Stearman 181 taking off 17, northeast south departure, Stellar.
Cool, I'll be behind you. Got you in sight. 5 Hotel Mike. That's Larry.
Oh.
Larry's in the Stearman.
Oh, that Larry.
You guys see the Stearman on the runway? I'll try to catch him.
You always go following.
Hey Larry, can I come up on your right wing?
Black Eye traffic on 841.
Larry, you got a copy?
Yeah, come on up. I'll go straight down.
You look good.
Damn fine looking machine. He gave you a thumbs up.
Cool.
Look outside 2453, turning right 12.
Awesome.
You got to give him a bank away.
Thank you, sir. We're on our way.
Thank you.
So fun.
Warning, terrain.
So,
So you got to know what all those hand signals mean. Cause
yeah.
So there was this one, and then there was that one. And,
yep.
Yeah.
And they did that when I went flying with them, and I forgot to ask exactly what each one meant.
Down, right
yeah.
down, runway 17, touch goes by that.
And Stellar Helicopter 5 Hotel Mike is short final 35, landing on the southeast corner.
Okay, traffic running 478, right down 117, okay.
Turn away from the sun.
Nice one.
Live to tell another day. Something like that. Live to see another day.
Cheated death one more time.
Cheated death one more time. Did you just turn the air conditioning off? That was too early to do that. Mike doesn't want to hear me anymore. All right, generator goes off.
Engine.
I'll open this for airflow.
Quick, easy, and fun from the Barrett Jackson car show all the way down to Stellar Airpark. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for flying along.
Do a picture of everybody.
I always get a picture of my passengers so that I can put together my flight logbook as well as the aircraft logbook and take a picture of the hobs with the fuel.
Got it.
Nice.
I'll leave the camera running for some behind the scenes action afterwards. But if you guys have any requests, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to put together some fun videos. I'm kind of new to this, but having fun, and thanks for all your support.
That's e-brake?
E-brake.
Good.
Otherwise known as rotor brake.
Good.
Yep, but same thing. Yeah, that's hilarious. I'll have you guys buckle. Oh, you're already buckling up your seatbelt. Your R44 friend has trained you well.
That's what you do, right?
That's what everyone except Mike does.
I know.
He's untrainable. Oh, maybe not. No, I'll do the seatbelts if he does the tie down. That works. It's a good trade.
All the way up?
No, I actually like him down.
Did I do it right? Down?
Yeah, if you're gonna tighten them at all, just do the bottom. Tighten the bottom ones.
I thought you wanted them tight.
Not usually the top, because they're hard to manipulate, and I never want them that tight when I put them on people. There's cold drinks here.
Whew. Thank you.
Welcome. Her?
You got regular water?
Yeah.
I don't drink your fancy.
You don't like the bubbles? Good job, sir.
I'll take one of those.